What's up guys? So this week I'm in Bhutan for a holiday, but knowing myself I couldn't resist but bring a few fishing rods to experience some of the mountain stream fishing that Bhutan has to offer. So on this trip I brought two rods with me, the Bone Voyage Stream Special in spinning and then the Bone Voyage Stream Special in bait casting. I chose these rods because they are ideal for trout, and especially as the name suggests, stream special, I'm going to be fishing in streams, so it just seemed like the most obvious choice. Today I'm with my friend Boda, who will be my guide for today, who's going to be showing me around the streams of Bhutan. I'm super excited to see what kind of fishing I can get into today. It's about a 2-hour drive, but I mean if you take a look at the roads, it's absolutely stunning. So hopefully we can get a few good fish for you guys and catch you guys when I'm at the spot. We are at this beautiful stream in Bhutan, and as I mentioned before, I'll be using this Bone Voyage Stream Special bait casting version, and for lures I just brought a few small stuff, right? So we have our dash, our metal chip, our tuffia, sky gazer, and our Xeric fry, stuff like that. So yeah, let's hope we can get a few decent fish today. First trout of the day. Man, look at that. Woohoo! Oh! There he goes. There we go. Little one. Oh, look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful fish. Again, Xeric fry. There we go. That's a decent one. Let's get this guy in. There we go. Alright guys, check it out. Here is the biggest fish of the day. Beautiful brown trout hit on the Bone Dash 50. Just casting it along a slack part of the river, and this guy came out and nailed it. I know these guys aren't massive, but look at that beautiful fish. And look at that beautiful background. How can you beat that, man? Check it out. Little brown trout on the Bone Dash 50. These guys seem to be loving these small profile lures like the Bone Dash. So, let them go. Right, so my technique for today, I am looking for where the water slows down. So you can see here in the middle of the river, it's flowing quite fast. But then on the sides here, they slow down just a little bit. And that's where I'm placing my lures. For the lures, I'm using things like the Bone Dash 50, Xeric fry, Xeric metal chip. Really small lures, and trout seem to be loving them so far. And man, I can't get enough of this view. I mean, just look at this place that I'm fishing in right now. It's amazing to see the places that fishing brings you. Here we go. Ooh, that's a quality fish, man. Swing it up on the bank. That's a good fish. Alright guys, here's another decent one. Again on the Bone Dash 50. Pretty much the same thing, casting in the slower parts of the river. And this guy gave me a good fight. Really fun on the Bone Stream Special. Amazing. Check out my surroundings, man. Doesn't get any better than this. Beautiful brown trout. Gonna let him go now. Okay, so the bite has now slowed down, so I think I'll end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed a small snippet of probably some of the most beautiful water I've ever fished in my life. I mean, it's really not about the fish or the size of the fish here, but rather the location that I'm catching them in. I'm very fortunate and grateful to be able to experience something like this. So for the tackle I was using, as I mentioned before, I was using the Bone Voyage Stream Special in the bait casting version as well as the spinning version. If you take a look at the type of water I'm fishing here, so fast flowing streams, these rods are really the perfect match for this kind of thing. Right, so for the lures, I was using small stuff, right? So anything from 40 to 70 millimeters. To name a few, I was using the Xeric Fry, the Bone Dash 50, and the Tafia Skygazer Minnow. All of these lures have a very nice wobbling action, so just casting it downstream and letting it wobble in the current is how I got most of my fish. So thank you again for watching. I can't promise that I will be filming in locations like this anytime soon. This is really, you know, a once in a few years kind of opportunity. But nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed. Till my next video, take care. Okay, so we just got done fishing. Let's see what this guy is up to now.
What did I hit it? Oh, hit this.